Hey, so what's going on, guys? Mac here with Droid Reviews, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep regular maintenance of the rubber pipes as well as any rubber components on your car. So the example I'm going to be showing you guys today will be on my 2013 Volkswagen Sirocco, because you know, as it ages with time, the rubber tends to get hard, and if not properly maintained, it might crack and cause even more damage to the car, which might cost a very hefty sum to get it repaired. So it's better to be safe than sorry. So that's the reason I'm actually recording this video for you guys, to actually show you what I'm using and how I maintain the pipes or any rubber components of my car. So if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, do hit the subscribe button and also enable notifications so you can get notified on the latest videos which I post. And without further ado, let's get right into how I maintain the rubber components of my 2013 Sirocco. Alright, so before I begin the restore process, I would like to show you what product I'll be using. So right here you can see is Cockpit Shine by Permaglass. So I'm not sure whether this is available in your region, but I've seen this on Amazon, so I bet it can be purchased worldwide. And I've tried a couple of products, but this seems to be the one which works the most efficiently. So you might be wondering, this is for interior, right? Because Cockpit Shine. But most interior products can be used for exterior as well, and we are talking about like engine bay, so it's technically interior, I should say, partially exterior. But I've also used this for my Driveshaft boot as well to protect it, and after using it for like a week and checking back on the condition, I think this is a very good product to be used on those kinds of materials as well. As for the features of the product, you do want to ensure that it is anti-static and non-oily, because if it's oily, like something like WD-40, it will attract a lot of dust and debris, especially if you're using it on the Driveshaft boot. So you do want to ensure that it is non-oily as well as anti-static. Usually interior detailers are anti-static. It's a general feature that most of interior detailers have. So this will be very good when it comes to engine parts as well as exterior parts as well. So we'll be using this today. So let's get right into the restoration of all these pipes right here. Some of the inside as well. So you will also need a microfiber cloth, or if you have a small sponge, that will work as well with the tighter corners. Alright, so let's get into how I restore these pipes. Alright, so before I show you how to restore the rubber pipes, I'll show you what I've done. So I did a couple of pipes a couple of weeks back, and let me show you the difference. So there are some that I missed out, like the one here. Let me give you a closer look. You can see there the color and the texture of the rubber, because this has been there for like a while, many years in fact. And these are the ones which I actually restored a couple of weeks, but you can see there's a slight glow and the color is deeper on these pipes as compared to the one behind. Of course, it's caked with dust. Even if I do remove the dust, you can see that it is still pretty bad. It's pretty old looking. So this Cockpit Shine will actually help to restore it to like brand new condition, like showroom condition, especially on these pipes, because they are in constant heat, because this is the engine and this is the turbo area. So these pipes are actually facing constant high temperature, and I'm afraid they will crack. So that's the reason I did these pipes first. Alright, so let me show you how to get the Cockpit Shine applied to this part of the pipes. So definitely before applying, is especially if your engine compartment is very dirty, you do want to wipe it down first. So mine is pretty clean because I actually maintain my engine compartment. I'm pretty fussy about how the engine area looks like as well. So this has some dust caught here, very little, so I will take my microfiber cloth and just give it a slight wipe down, just like this. Right, so once that is done, we give the Cockpit Shine a nice good shake. Okay, so once that is done, I will be using my finger because I do not have a sponge. If you have a sponge, it will be even better and cleaner, because my engine bay is not too dirty. So I guess my fingers won't be turning black that much, so I'll apply some. That's what I'm doing now. Just get it in between your fingers and then apply it right here. Do not be afraid, because the chemical is actually safe. Alright, so pretty much done for this part of the pipe. Let me bring you closer and show you guys. Alright, you can see right here the difference compared with the earlier clip I showed you. This looks like brand new factory condition. So that's a good thing because you do want to keep the rubber portions hydrated, or keep it like soft, keep it soft. So you can see this part right here as well, which I'm going to be doing next. Now you can see the difference. Let me get the camera focus. You can see the difference. This looks like a brand new pipe compared with just now, especially with this one as well. And it will remain like this for months, I should say, because the last I applied was a few weeks for this. That means close to like 2 months, I guess. I did apply to my intake pipe as well. So I did apply it when I was installing my intake. Alright guys, so for this part of the video, we're going to be coating the absorber link right here, as well as the drive shaft boot. Not sure whether you can see it right there, with the permaglass. So I've set it to stream, and all you need to do is very simple. Just aim at it and just spray it, keep it coated well, and of course you do want to wipe down the excess on the suspension arm right there. So I'll be doing that in a jiffy. Do not be afraid to use more because it will eventually dry out. You want to get it embedded into the rubber well. So that is usually how much I use when I get them coated. Alright guys, so now you have seen the before and after. I think this product is really good, and it works really fast, so you do not have to wait for a long time, especially when it comes to the drive shaft boot as well as the absorber links. And after that, I took the car for a very slow drive around just to make sure it settles in, turning the steering and stuff like that, to actually get the cockpit shine embedded into the rubber itself. So for me, I definitely recommend this product. This is not a sponsored video, this is something that I purchased, so definitely I do recommend this over many other brands, and I'll try to leave the link in the description below if you do want to purchase one of these. But as you can see from the difference in the way the pipes look, this will definitely extend the life and the longevity of your pipes. Of course, when they do need to be changed, you have to change them, but this is just a preventive measure, ensuring that they don't crack and they last longer. Alright, so I hope you guys found this video informative. Everything that I use in this video will be linked in the description below, so you can pick them up if you are interested. So do give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.